Multiplication, more and more multiplication. Here we go. This time it is 3-digit by 2-digit. And I'm going to go over the standard algorithm. Now, maybe you liked the standard algorithm when it was multiplying by 1-digit numbers, but you want to try a different one for 2-digit numbers. That's fine. Don't feel like just because you did it one way on the last lesson, you have to do it the same way this time. All right, so the first one I'll show you is 294 times 48. So a lot of it is the same. Actually, I'm going to write that a little smaller so I have more space. 294 times 48. There we go. That'll be better. So I'm going to start with my ones, just like I did before. I'm going to do 8 times 4 is 32. So write the 2, carry the 3. 8 times 9 is 72. Plus 3 is 75. Write the 5, carry the 7. Still with my 8. 8 times 2 is 16. Plus 7 is 23. Notice how it was the same. I did 8 times this, 8 times this. I just had to now also do it times my hundreds, since that's the difference from the last one. I'm done with my 8, so I'll cross that out. I like to also cross those out so I don't get confused about which one I'm using. I need to add that 0 because remember I'm moving over to my tens place, so I need to start in my tens place. Go 4 times 4 is 16. Write the 6, carry the 1. 4 times 9 is 36, plus 1 is 37. So write the 7. This time I need to carry it because I have another place. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 3 is 11. Now I'm going to add. So 2 plus 0 is 2, 5 plus 6 is 11, 7 plus 3 is 10, plus 1 is 11. Add, I get 4, and just my 1 there, so 14,112 is my answer. Now watch the second one, but if this is feeling confusing, go try one of the other methods. I personally think the other methods are easier. Not better or worse, just a little simpler to how they're laid out. 817 times 69. So I'll write it vertically. So remember, which place do I start with? I start with the 9. 9 times 7 is 63. Write the 3, carry the 6. 9 times 1 is 9. Plus 6 is 15. Write the 5, carry the 1. 9 times 8 is 72. Plus 1 is 73. I'm done with those. Done with that. Done with those. So now I'm moving on to my tens. What do I need to add? That 0 down there since I'm moving over to my tens. So I'm going to start by 6 times 7. 40 is 42. Write the 2, carry the 4. 6 times 1 is 6. Plus 4 is 10. Carry the 1. 6 times 8 is 48. Plus 1 is 49. And then add those up. 3, 7, 3, 16, and 5. So 56,373. And you might feel like I'm a little biased against this method. It's true because you have to sort of multiply and add in your head all at once, whereas the other two methods break multiplying and the adding into 2 separate steps. So again, if this is confusing, try one of the other ways. If you like this method, great. It can also be a good one, but just know you don't have to be stuck with this one even if you did it for the other ones. You can always try something new. If you want more examples, let me know, or hop on the Google Meet if it's when it's happening, and I am more than happy to help you understand this or any of the strategies. You can do it.